Pikin wey talk say im mama no go sleep, my country pipo, himself e no go follow sleep. When they tell people say make dem no dey bite the hand wey dey feed them, the likes of Linc Edochie dem no go hear, guys. No be small something wey dey happen o. Hey. Oga Linc Edochie, e come out, e feke shake bum bum, e shake feather. E think say e don grow wings and e fit fly now. Na so wey e run o. E dey talk, I go America. I want to go to America. Now so e go unfollow Destiny helper. My country people, it is no longer a new news to us that Linc Edochie is now forming boss to Queenn May Edochie. Linc Edochie also unfollowed our Queenn May after he met with his new wife Yinka. Since wey Linc Edochie meet with Yinka, na so wey Linc don dey do, he don dey get pride. He now makes decisions without even considering or asking Queenn May Edochie for her opinion. Not like we are saying he should be consulting her for everything, but at least the way you be dey do am, knowing say this woman she dey find means to help you. Now Linc Edochie is no longer loyal, he is no longer humble, he doesn't want to take advice or anything. My country people, Queenn May Edochie with the sister, they don't finally come out, come respond to Linc Edochie after he don't unfollow our Queenn May. Queenn May also don't go unfollow Linc Edochie. And as Queenn May unfollow Linc Edochie, now so way Queenn May sister follow gun body, she too, she unfollow Linc Edochie. And her reason is this: she cannot be following somebody that the sister is not following. She cannot be following somebody that sees the sister as if the sister is not worth anything, as though the sister cannot do anything for him. Somebody that everybody knows that this lady has been the helper of your family. This lady has given so much up for just your family. And this now the same woman will be saying she dey connect you to different people where you dey waka with, my country people, from wetin we dey hear allegedly. Now say Queenn May Edochie, now she connects Lincoln to majority of the celebrities where e dey work with currently. And I know say Linc, e dey do all this artwork. So Linc Edochie, majority of im clients, people where they at the top, where they work for, or where they even do something for, na still May Edochie na him connect am to them. And we can't even see the here say Queenn May bin get plans for Linc Edochie wey she no communicate with am. And na the thing wey Linc Edochie no know na him be that. Now he don't go mess up every single opportunity where he get. He thinks say na to dey shout I go America. He thinks say na to marry American-based Nigerian. My country people, Linc Edochie, he don't use it and take scatter mansion where they build for am. Linc Edochie don't use it and take purse and sand inside the garri where they give am. Like this now, if Linc Edochie find out this one, my country people, now only God know the way he go take accept am and waiting he go do next. Because we just find out say Queenn May Edochie had plans of linking Linc Edochie to MD Chris. Una know say our MD Chris Ezenwa, he is not a small person. For person to even link you with MD Chris, now be say the person to kuku small. That means our Queenn May Edochie no small. Queenn May is one person that MD Chris respects, MD Chris obeys, and MD Chris listens to her. Like if everyone our Queenn May tell MD, say see as this thing go be, MD go listen because he know say Queenn May na woman of wisdom. He know say Queenn May na Solomon of our time in the female way. Queenn May na woman wey use her friends she know dey everly support bad. She no go support where they talk against person. She no go support where they carry food wey belong to person wey the person merit. He carry am go give to another person. But our Queenn May is not like that. So because MD Chris understands all these things, that is why our Queenn May can easily influence his decisions or even suggest something to him and MD Chris will consider. Una know say na this same way Queenn May use connect our pikin Daniel to MD Chris, where two of them come dey work for the same brand, and they say na wetin our Queenn May bin wan do give Lincoln be that. But now Lincoln Edochie, he don go use it and take scatter everything. He don pour food wey they give am make it chop. My country people like this now, Queenn May say she don wash her hands comot for everything. Say she bin wan give MD Chris the contact of Lincoln, make he call Lincoln tell am say from now you go dey work with brand so that you too you go fit make money, since you talk say you need to make make money this year, you need to connect with different people, and truly the kind work wey they do, you really need to connect with people at the top more than you've already connected. Queen May say she don comot hand for that one now, say nothing concern am concern Linc Edochie. Say if Lincoln wants to connect with celebrities, he should tell the brother to do that for him, or he can even call the father to do that for him. As for her, she is no longer interested in anything that concerns Linc Edochie. My country people like this now, Linc Edochie, he go don dey cry for him bed because it is say na by shouting I go to America. It is say na by following Judy Ekwesu husband snatching. He dey follow am up and down. When Judy Austin tell you say make you marry Yinka, say you go get direct access to go to Obodo America. You rush, you no ask questions, you no make enquiries, you do not try to find out who Yinka is, not knowing that Yinka is actually the lady that everybody have been talking about. He don run now go enter marriage with Yinka. My coach baby, na so wey Yinka don carry in destiny dey run dey go. Na so wey Yinka don tarnish the good image wey this man get. But people talk say good name dey talk is better than riches. My country people, this man chose riches over good name. Even the rich wey he choose, he never still see am. My country people, abeg make una enter comment section. Me I no know the advice wey una wan give to Linc Edochie again. But as for me, as him don choose him path, make he continue to dey work on him path. Everybody make dem mind their business, make dem answer their papa name the same way wey Queen May Edochie dey answer her papa name, the same way wey she dey mind her business. Linc Edochie, you talk say you no wan follow Queen May again, you don't want to have anything to do with her, you don't want to even communicate with her again. She has not been helpful to your life, she has not done anything for you. Meanwhile, this woman has actually done more than enough, more than your parents have even done for you, which we all know it is the truth. Even you know say na true. Media no go like give una, even something wey you delete, media people they go bring am come out, so they no feel like give una. Now they don't even carry evidence upon evidence, carry come out on how Queen May don help Lincoln. Now to borrow her money make you take start business wey Queen May never do, now to even buy property give am wey Queen May never do, abi na to buy majority of the artwork wey Queen May never do. My country people now don see say Queen May don really invest so much inside where Lincoln dey. It come be like say na inside that brother business na she dey invest inside. Meanwhile, person wey she dey invest on top him head, e dey for another corner, e dey bite Queen May for him back. My country people, this one na be example of wetin dem talk say you go like down like this, rat go dey bite you, e go still dey blow you breeze wey you no for wake up catch am say e dey bite you. Na wetin Lincoln dey do. But the other way, my country people, thank God say Queen May Edochie no be woman wey be say she dey dependent on person. Queen May is not the kind of woman that if somebody does something to her, she will not take it very personal, she will take it to heart, and she will not mean you and be doing the bad things. Queen May no dey like that. She don already leave everything for the hand of God. Since when these people start this fight with am, since when these people start this battle, my country people, na so Queen May don wash her hand comot for everything. No say she no wan put body, she no wan put hand, she no wan put her mouth. Make it be say na her God na him dey fight the battle for am. And true God don really dey fight the battle for Queen May. He dey vindicate the woman at every point in time. He dey always bring person wey go defend the woman at all points in time. So like this now, my country people, now me I say make I carry the ogbonge tori wey dey on ground, make I carry am come give una, because Linc Edochie was thinking that the action he took by unfollowing Queen May is actually going to affect Queen May and is going to break her. But he doesn't know that unfollowing Queen May does not add anything to Queen May or remove anything from Queen May. It still remains that Queen May is Queen May. Queen May is still the oga patapata of them all. She is still the alpha woman that everybody is looking up to. She is still that woman that people are fighting for, that she must get justice. And justice she must get, my country people. So like this now, I beg, if you never subscribed to my channel before, make you not forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up also, and make you not also forget to share the video. Yes, make it go viral, make people see and make them hear the updates about Yinka, YUL Edochie, and also Queen May Edochie. Thank you very much, guys. I will see all of you now for my next upload.